Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys need to find the fuse for the accessory protocol interface module, okay, this is known as the APIM fuse. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, why it's important to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap fuses from. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So what we have specifically right here guys, 2012 F-150 that we'll demonstrate on. If you have a different year but that generation, it may work as well. You will guys have two fuse boxes on your F-150. One is under the hood, but we don't need this one. We need to go to the one that's inside the vehicle, and it's part of the body control module, the BCM. It's located under the glove box on the right side next to the kick panel in the foot compartment there. Remove the cover. Once you open it, your fuse box will look just like this one guys. Check this thing out. Those are the fuses and the relays. Now let's explain why it's very important to test fuses and relays before we continue, so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see the fuses guys, those are all the fuses right here practically for the body control module. If you need to buy replacement fuses or relays, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price. The fuse that you need to check guys for that accessory protocol interface module, if you come in that first row on the left side, the very second fuse, that 15 amp fuse guys, that fuse right here, that's the fuse that you need to check specifically. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.